Welcome this beautiful morning with a smile on your face, wishing you a very good morning. In the last class we had started lesson number 12, growing plants. In that class we had learned how young plants are produced and how they grow. Plant produce young plant and this process is called as reproduction. Children, we had discussed that how plants reproduce through seeds. We will learn how plants reproduce through spores and how plants reproduce through parts of their body. Let's start. Some plants such as moss do not have flowers. They do not produce seeds also. They produce tiny spores and each spores grow into a new plant. Fern also do not have flowers. They do not produce seeds and they produce tiny spores and these spores grow into a new plant. Some plants produce new plant from other parts of the plant body. The method of obtaining new plant from the leaves, stem and roots of the parent plant is called vegetative propagation. Now let us discuss that what exactly this vegetative propagation is. Children, do you know? New plants grow from roots. If we will take a sweet potato, which is a part of its parent plant, and insert toothpicks in it on all its four sides, then if we will place the sweet potato in water in such a way that the lower part of the sweet potato remains immersed in water, where it can get fresh air and sunlight. After a few days, roots come out of the sweet potato. Soon, a small plant grows out of it. Here we see the roots of a plant producing a young plant. Plants like dahlia and asparagus also reproduce through their roots. New plants grow from underground stems also. Potato, ginger and onion are underground stems. Food is stored in these stems. Potato and ginger have eye on them. Under suitable condition, each eye grow into a bud. When we place them in the soil, new plant grow from the bud as given in the picture. New plant of onion grow from bulb when they are planted in the soil. The underground stem of ginger is called as rhizome and the underground stem of potato is called tuber. Children, do you know some plants grow from leaves also? To explain this, I want to give you the example of bryophyllum plant. Yes, bryophyllum plant has buds on the edges of its leaves. As given in the first picture, when these buds fall on moist soil, they produce new plant. New plant also grow from stem. Some plants like rose, hibiscus Bougainvillea, sugarcane and cotton have birds on their stem. If we will cut the stem of one of these plants into a small pieces and plant into a soil, after a few days we will see the stem cutting grows into a new plant. So this is our chapter growing plants. So what we learned from this chapter? Yes, we learned that how plants reproduce through seeds, how plants reproduce through spores, and how some plants reproduce through parts of their body. So children, read the chapter carefully and remember the important points of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.